こんにちは。Welcome to FURI Kitchen. Today, Sheena is going to make cabbage steaks with soy garlic sauce. This is a very simple dish, but super yummy, low calorie, and full of vitamins. The main ingredient is just cabbage. Simply grill and steam it with sake in a frying pan. The subtle sweetness and aroma from the sake enhances the natural umami of the cabbage. Drizzle over the flavorsome soy garlic sauce. You won't be able to stop eating it. Okay, let's get started. Cut half of a cabbage into quarters. Mince 3 cloves of garlic, slice 1 dried red chilli, and chop some parsley. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large frying pan over medium heat. Add the cabbage. Sprinkle with a pinch of salt. And cook until the bottom side is nicely charred. Flip them. And sprinkle with another pinch of salt. And add 2 tablespoons of sake. Cover the frying pan with a lid and turn the heat to low. Steam and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the core becomes tender. When the cabbage is cooked, transfer them to serving plate. Lightly clean the frying pan with kitchen paper. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Minced garlic. And dried red chilli. Stir fry over low heat until fragrant. Add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and mix. Drizzle the sauce over the cabbage. Sprinkle with freshly ground black pepper and chopped parsley. De kita! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said, this is her favorite way to eat cabbage. Simple but effective, great taste and great nutrients that makes her healthy and happy bunny. Thank you for watching FURI Kitchen. ありがとう. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye. またね